Arhan Gala and I am 6 years old, and today it's my second video, and today I am showing you all how to make a bird feeder. First we need two chopsticks, then we need a ruler to make the marks, and then we need a scissor to make the hole, and then we need a drawing pen to make first the tiny hole, and then the scissor we need to make the bigger hole. We need the marker to mark, and then we need a ribbon, a strong enough one, and we can use wires but not those electrical wires, the one for projects, and no paper, and you need to use grains for the birds to eat, and then you need a black marker to make the markings. So today we should start in few minutes. First I want to tell you something. If your mother doesn't allow you to use a pin or some error, they should help you if you're 3. If you're 3 or 4 or 5 or 6. But just I felt like doing this video all alone, all by myself. So that's why I'm doing this alone. And I am properly trained for these videos. So first we start from doing this. So first, this is difficult. Always ensure that an elbow should help. I got it. And you should subscribe to our channel. If you have a channel, it's good, it's better if you have your own channel, because then you know, especially an art one. So then if you watch our channel, my channel, and then you always should get ideas from channels. But if you want to make a big hole only from the drawing pin, you can do like this. And then pull it out. And then pull it out. For this, you put it like this and move. Same on the back thing. Everybody, y'all should make little holes down in the bottle of your plastic bottle, and it only has to be a plastic bottle, in the bottom of your plastic bottle, and so that when the water falls, it just goes out of the thing of your bottle. And you need to wash the bottle after making the holes for the bottle. And then you need to cut in, and then you need to pass these for the birds to sit, and make sure that it looks like an X. Like this. And this is for the birds to sit. And now I'll tell you what to do. It's okay, let the grains fall. You can pick them up always from the floor and then put them in. And then you need to wash the bottle so that it's clean for the birds to eat. Guys, to make it easy, you need a funnel. You need a mug to store the grain inside. And then, guys, if it falls, please just put it through. You can put it through this also. And then, guys, in the last, when you fill it in, you should just shake it one time. First you put it through and then cut it. Do it little easy. It might be little tough. It's my first time also making a thing. You have to keep it like to make it quite big so that you can tie it outside your window and all. And you should make a good knot. A good knot. If you need to use glue, you can. And then it is done. Bye guys. Bye guys. Like, share and subscribe if it's your first time.